when I say ask you a question, please feel to answer. So, because I know you maybe know much things than me in the Kalamkari. Maybe because it's connected to your field. So adding certain things I can. Whatever would be this sari makers, whatever they do, it is called as Udupi sari. Same way, it is called as Kalamkari only. But